Alright, y'all, another storm brewing in, coming in, and brewing up, coming in, whatever you want to say. It's nasty, boy. Autofocus. There you go. We are looking, we're looking west, kind of, I guess southwest, kind of. So towards the Gulf. I can't tell if that storm's moving in this way or not. It appears to be slowly. It's the evening time, y'all. It gets storms every evening this time of year. Oh yeah. That tree over here is beautiful, y'all. Across the street, that one's beautiful. Lightning's getting right over my head. I'm gonna have to go in. I'm a big chicken. Storm's still off in the distance a good ways, but that lightning's coming almost right up over my head. That storm's, like I say, it's still off in the distance. I'm gonna have to close the garage door here soon. Alright, I think I've had enough. It's getting kind of nasty, y'all. Hope you enjoyed the lightning. Let's wait for one more and we'll go in. I'm a big chicken, y'all. Wind's picking up. This camera brightens everything up, y'all. It looks ominous back over, back over that way. Unbelievable. Alright, y'all. We'll go to 420.